Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bagel sandwiches in Toca Boca. Open Toca Boca and pick a character, then tap the kitchen to begin assembling your bagel sandwich right away. Choose a bagel, toast for texture, add cheese, veggies, and a protein, and layer sauces for flavor. Adjust portions to fit your character, and use props for fun presentation before serving to customers or friends in the game. Start by choosing a spread that complements your protein, such as cream cheese with smoked salmon or pesto with tomato for bright notes. Add a slice of cheese next so it melts slightly on the warm bagel, then stack proteins and crunchy veggies for texture contrast. Use small amounts of sauce to avoid sogginess while keeping bold flavor, and finish with herbs or pickles to add acidity that lifts the whole sandwich. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. It really helps. Quick recommendation. For meal prep and storing toppings, try leak-proof containers that keep sauces and chopped veggies fresh and spill-free. They work great for swapping ingredients between characters and saving game time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set if you prep often. Now let's get back to the video. When serving, cut the bagel cleanly so each half showcases the layers you created, then arrange the halves attractively on a plate or tray. Match the plate and props to your character's vibe, like bright dishes for playful characters or simple plates for minimalist ones. Consider whether fillings are best warm or room temperature, and adjust presentation accordingly to make the sandwich appealing to in-game customers or friends.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.